Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to set up continuous integration and deployment for a PHP application with GitHub and AWS Code Pipeline and Elastic Beanstalk. Code Pipeline is a continuous delivery service that enables you model, visualize, and automate the steps required to release your application and software. Code Pipeline automates the build, test, and deploy phases of your application release process in the event that there is a code change based on the release model you have earlier specified. It also integrates well with third-party services like GitHub. In this article, we will create a simple PHP application, then we will push it to a GitHub repository, and we will let Code Pipeline handle the automatic delivery and deployment of the application to Elastic Beanstalk. Let us start with the implementation steps. First, I will create Elastic Beanstalk environment for a PHP application, and I will deploy sample application. Once it is working, then I will start implementing the CI/CD steps using Code Pipeline. Go to services, look for Elastic Beanstalk. Under the compute section, click on create application, name something, you can say PHP application deployment, or you can name anything. And scroll down, and in the platform select PHP, and in the application code I am going with sample application. Okay, create application. Now the environment started creating for this PHP application deployment. It takes some time to load the infrastructure for the Elastic Beanstalk. We'll wait for some time, and then we will access the home page. If you see, even though we are using Elastic Beanstalk, underlying EC2 instances will run for that. See, there was a EC2 instances which is getting created with Elastic Beanstalk application name. Okay, we'll try to see whether we got a DNS name for this Elastic Beanstalk or not. Once we have a DNS name, we can access that sample application, and then we can proceed with the next thing. This is like a regular EC2. You will get Elastic IP, public DNS, everything you will get. Now health is okay. We'll go to the PHP application deployment DNS URL, and we will try to see whether we are able to access the sample application or not. Perfect. We are able to access the sample application. Now what we can do is, I have a code already in GitHub in the structure which is expected by code pipeline, and that particular code I will use to deploy it into the Elastic Beanstalk environment. We'll get started with the implementation steps. Go to code pipeline. Create pipeline. You can say this is something which I took is login PHP application. I have given login PHP, or else you can say anything of your own name. Okay, we just need service role. We are going with new service role option. Next, source provider. In this case, the source provider is GitHub because our code is in GitHub. Connect to GitHub. Done. You need to mention the repository name and branch. This is my repository, Vamsi Tech Tutorials. You need to mention the repository name. My repository name is login page -php and branch is master. Done. This is the one. You need to make sure you log into GitHub. Only then AWS will get all the repositories of you. Okay. And here we have a file called appspec file. Appspec file is nothing but application specification file. Application specification file is a YAML formatted or JSON formatted file used by code deploy to manage a deployment. Whatever we mention in the YAML file, it will do the deployment according to that. Next, click on next. And here build provider, we don't want to take any build provider. You can skip build stage. Next, you have deploy stage. In the deploy stage, you need to mention where you are going to deploy. This is nothing but target. In our case, the target is AWS Elastic Beanstalk. And you need to mention the region as well. I am in US West. And you need to mention the application name of your Elastic Beanstalk. Ours is PHP application deployment. And you need to mention the environment name as well. This is the environment name. Click on next. Now click on create pipeline. Now you can see the pipeline. It started with the execution steps and it is showing in progress. Succeeded. Okay, now deployment is in progress. Once the deployment is in progress, we need to verify whether it is giving the expected functionality or not. In the meantime, I will show in the code what I have written in that PHP file. Go to the PHP file, login page -php, and I have mentioned index.php file. Okay, this index.php file has a content of some website. We need to make sure this page should load for us. This is the index.php file. Once the deployment is done, we need to see this home page instead of the default sample application page. Still the deployment is in progress. Yeah, deployment is succeeded. Now we will go back to the Elastic Beanstalk environment URL and we will try to refresh the page. It should give us the index.php page content which we deployed some time back. Click on that environments and click on the URL. See, we are able to see the website page which we created some time back. Okay, this is perfect. That means we are able to set up a CI/CD pipeline for a PHP application, and we have successfully deployed to Elastic Beanstalk using code pipeline. Thanks everyone for watching this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel.